Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today we're going to do a 1-pan chorizo gnocchi. You can throw this together in about 15 minutes. Nice little midweek meal that, yeah, done in no time at all. So this is how you do it. Right, so pan's onto a medium heat. I've got all of my fresh stuff prepped and chopped up, my red pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, so a little bit of oil in. You don't need a lot because the chorizo is naturally going to release its own oils. Diced chorizo in. I'm just going to let this cook just for a couple of minutes, let it release all of its oils. Chorizo. Proper Spanish that was, wasn't it? So that's been going for about 2 minutes now. I've got 1 red pepper, left it fairly chunky, 3 cloves of garlic. Again, use as much or as little garlic as you like. And we've got this store-bought, pre-packaged gnocchi. I'm not even going to bother boiling it, just straight in. We'll just pan fry it off. Let it soak up all that flavour from the chorizo oils. You'll see it almost stains it a reddish colour. I mean, again, if you're feeling frisky, give it a toss without getting it everywhere. Just like that. Yeah, just let this go now. Couple of minutes. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. 1 tin of tomatoes in. Give them a good bash, break them all up. You could use chopped tomatoes if you wanted to. Use passata if you wanted to. Let that bubble away now for a while. Could add a little bit of seasoning in, a bit of salt, black pepper. A pinch of salt in there. And precisely 14 turns of the pepper mill. Just use however much you want. And that's it, we're gonna let that bubble away. So this has been going for about 5 minutes. And the gnocchi, nice and soft now. Soft, starchy, indulgent pillows of goodness. I'm just going to tear in some basil leaves. You don't need to cut it up, just be as rough as you like. No finesse to this. It's all done in 1 pan. Designed to be quick. You gotta mix around. And now we're going to add our parmesan in. You guys can tell me when to stop on this, okay? As much or as little as you like that. But be quite generous with it. Look at that. Just cover it. Cover it in a blanket of cheese. Mix that through the sauce. And then it is all about making it look nice and pretty on a plate or a bowl. So this is now ready to serve up. I'm just gonna just tip the whole lot in a bowl. And this is where we just dress it to make it look pretty. Black pepper on there as well. Also, I've got some of the little basil leaves left over, just dot them around, just make it look pretty. And it really is as simple as that. Done in about 10-15 minutes, start to finish. And there you have it.